Assalamualaikum student. Well, my name is Mohammed Ali, lecturer in mathematics, Army Public Degree College, Maleer, Kent. Student, well, basically in exercise 2.2, we have to find the derivative by using the definition of derivative. It's more or less the same as exercise 2.1. Now, student, in exercise 2.2, question number 1, find from first principle the derivative of the following expansion with respect to their respective independent variable. In part 1 you have to find the derivative of ax plus b whole raised to the power q, and similarly 2x plus 3 raised to the whole power 5, and similarly 3t plus 2 raised to the whole power minus 2, and similarly x plus b raised to the power minus 5. And in part 5 similarly 1 upon az minus b raised to the power 7. So start with the solution of 1. Let y equals to ax plus b raised to the power q. So what will be the first step? Replace y by y plus delta y and replace x by x plus delta x. So here a remains same, and the replacement of x we put x plus delta x, and b remains same and the whole cube. Now similarly y here is positive and shifted toward the other side, it becomes negative. And what is the value of y? Ax plus b the whole cube. So here we write the value of y. In next step what we have to do, we have to open the formula of a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and then plus b cube, and in the last ax plus b ka whole cube remains same. So in the next step this positive term and this negative term cancel out, and the remaining term write it as it is. So in next step we take common delta x in the whole equation. We take delta x as a common in this equation, and then it is delta x square, then it will remain delta x, and it is delta x cube, so it is delta x square. And what will the second step? Divided by delta x on both sides. If we divide it by delta x, then here delta y upon delta x, and here delta x and delta x cancel out. So this is the this value remain here. And in next step taking limit delta x approaches to 0, so limit delta x approaches to 0, del y upon del x, limit delta x approaches to 0, and write it here same function. In next step we have to apply the limit. Then now if applied the limit on delta y upon delta x, it becomes dy upon dx, and here first term remains same. In second term we put delta x equals to 0, and in third term also we put delta x equals to 0. Then second term and third term become 0, only first term remain. 3a into bracket ax plus b ka square. So this is the derivative of ax plus b raised to the power whole cube. Now student, question number 2 is 2x plus 3 raised to the whole power 5. So in first step we have to add y plus delta y and the replacement of y, and x plus delta x the replacement of x, and similarly we shift y on the other side, then it becomes negative, and put the value of y 2x plus 3 raised to the power 5. And now student, in next step we have to open the formula of binomial series of combination. So 5 into 0 2x plus 3 raised to the power 5, then 0 increases to 1, and the power of 2x plus 3 is decreasing, and 2 delta x, and the power of x is also increasing, 2 delta x, then similarly 5 over 2 2x plus 3 raised to power 3, then 2 delta x square, and so on to 5 over 5 2 delta x raised to the power 5 and minus 2x plus 3 raised to the power 5. So student, next step 5 over 5 combination 0 is equals to 1, and 2 into 5 ratio over 1 and 2x plus 3, these whole term remain same, and this is the last term. So this first term, this is the last term 2x plus 3 raised to the power 5, and the first term which is cancel out, and remaining entry write it here as it is. And in next step we dividing by delta x. If we dividing by delta x by this equation, then delta y upon delta x. So here just as delta x, so delta x is finished, and there delta x is square, so delta x is remaining, and here delta x is to the power 5. Then if we divide it by 1 delta x, then delta x is to the power 4 left. So taking limit as delta x approaches to 0. So taking limit delta x approaches to 0 on both sides, then this term become dy upon dx. So simply what we will do, we will put delta x equals to 0, So here this term remains same. Here we have a delta x, so this whole term becomes 0, and this whole term also become 0 because here we have a delta x. So after simplification, 5 ratio 5 combination 1 equals to 5, and 2 into 5 10, and this term remains same, 2x plus 3 raised to the power 4. So this is the derivative of 2x plus 3 raised to the whole power 5. Now student, question number 3 of exercise 2.2, y equals to 3 plus 2 raised to the power minus 2. Similarly, in first step we had replaced y by delta y, and here variable is t, so t plus delta t, and the whole term remains same. So we shifted y into the other side, and we will get this equation, and then we put the value of y, then we will get this equation. So similarly, taking 3t plus 2 raised to the power minus 2 in the first term, and this term remains same. So then we take common 3 plus 2 raised to the power minus 2 in the whole equation, then we will get 1 plus this 3 delta t upon 3t plus 2 and minus 1. So in next step we open the formula of binomial series in the inside bracket. So here we open the binomial series formula, 1 plus nx n into n minus 1 upon 2 vectorial. So here n is minus 2 and x is 3 delta upon 3t plus 2. So n is minus 2 and x is 3 delta x divided by 3t plus 2. So फिर n into n minus 1 divided by 2 vectorial, and n is minus 2 and minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 vectorial, and x का square. So x is this and the whole square, and similarly minus 1. So minus 1 in next step, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel out, and 3 2s are 6 and minus 6, and minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 and minus 2, and 2 vectorials mean 2. So 2 and 2 is also cancel out, and minus minus plus, so here we write plus 3, and minus 1 and this plus 1 cancel out, and this term remain same. So student, in next step we taking 3 delta t divided by 3 2 plus 2 in the whole bracket. So if we take common, then here only minus 2 is left, and here is only 3 delta t upon 3t plus t, only power 1 left, because in the above in the previous step here we have a square. So if we take one term as a common, then only power 1 left. So next step we dividing by delta t. So divided by delta t, then it becomes 3t into 3t plus 2. Then we shift this 3t plus t in numerator, then it will become in minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 basis same, power add, and here we divided by delta t, then delta t and this delta t cancel out, so only 1 left, and minus 2 plus 3 delta t divided by 3t plus 2 plus, and so on. And now in next step, taking limit when delta t approaches to 0 we have, so further we solve in next slide. Now student, if we taking limit delta as approaches to 0, then t approaches to 0, then this term become dy upon dt. So student, it is dt, it is typing mistake, it is dy upon dt. So here limit delta t approaches to 0, then to apply limit in next step, so this term remains same, and if we apply limit on this term, then minus 2 remains same, and this whole term becomes 0 because delta t equals to 0, then this whole term becomes 0. So minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, and 3t plus 2 to the power minus 3. So it is the derivative of the given function 3t plus 2 to the power minus 3. So student, similarly you can solve question number 4, do yourself, and question number 5. In question number 5 it is similarly as solved in previous exercises. So you first shift the denominator and the numerator, az plus b raised to the power minus 7, and then you can do replace y plus y delta y, and then z plus z delta z. As similarly just we solved in previously that t replace t by t plus delta. So here we have a variable z, so we replace z by delta z. So multiply a by this bracket and az minus b, and then a delta z raised to the power minus 7, and then shift y shifted toward here, then put the value of y, and then taking az minus b raised to the power minus 7 common from this whole term, so this term become here. Now further you can solve, do yourself, and if you face any query, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp number or private number. So home assignment of 2 of chapter 2 is exercise 2.2, question number 1, 4 and 5. Do yourself. Thank you student. If you have any query related to exercise 2.2, then you can ask me freely to ask me about the exercise 2.2. Thank you, student, for listening for your attention.